Here's a full-length, 1500-word YouTube article on the 2026 Isuzu D-Max written as one continuous narrative in 3 large sections, no headings, perfect for your video script or long article format. This covers the latest updates, performance, design, tech, safety, usability and real-world appeal based on the newest information available about the 2026 model. The 2026 Isuzu D-Max arrives as one of the most capable and well-rounded pickup trucks you can consider in today's global midsize pickup segment. It's a vehicle that blends rugged work-ready DNA with more modern comfort, technology and capability than ever before, building on Isuzu's long-standing reputation for reliability in diesel engineering that has made the brand respected worldwide. With updates to its looks, interior and feature list, the D-Max stands tall as an option that appeals not only to traditional pickup buyers but also to those who want a vehicle that's equally capable on paved roads, long highway drives and challenging off-road trails. What makes the 2026 D-Max particularly interesting is how it manages to stay true to its core purpose, hardworking utility and diesel strength, while increasingly offering features and refinement that rivals in this class might offer. The exterior design of the 2026 model gets a refreshed stance with a bold and purposeful front grille, modern LED lighting, strong body lines and big alloy wheel options that give it both presence and function, hinting at its robustness and readiness for tough conditions while still being comfortable for daily use. Underneath, the D-Max continues to be built on a ladder frame chassis that prioritizes strength and durability, especially when it comes to towing and payload abilities that are central to pickup truck buyers' priorities. With a suspension system tuned to balance load-bearing capability and ride quality, and options for both 4Guna2 and rugged 4Guna4 drivetrains with low-range capability, this truck comfortably adapts from construction sites to muddy tracks. For many drivers, the heart of any pickup is its engine, and the 2026 D-Max doesn't disappoint. While exact configurations can vary by market, one of the key power plants linked to this new wave of D-Max models around the world is a 1.0 Yojakchin LITRE turbo diesel engine delivering around 161 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. That diesel heart offers strong low-end torque that's essential for towing, hauling and navigating difficult terrain. Torque is what moves heavy loads without hesitation, and with up to around 360 Nm available in the lower rev range, the truck feels confident even when fully loaded or climbing steep inclines. Power gets sent to the wheels through either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving buyers a choice depending on their preference for control or convenience, and all versions available in markets like India are now focusing on 4Guna4 drive as standard, indicating Isuzu's intent to position the D-Max as a true off-road lifestyle pickup rather than a basic utility truck. In terms of usability, the pickup bed and payload capabilities continue to impress. While exact numbers can vary in different regions depending on local regulations, the D-Max's cargo bed is engineered to haul heavy loads and gear securely thanks to reinforced tie-down points, a well-designed bed liner and tie-on accessories that make loading and unloading both simple and safe. With a towing capacity often quoted around 3,500 kilograms in global reviews, and more than a ton of payload possible in many variants, the truck is equally suited for work and adventure. This capability makes it attractive for business owners who need serious hauling and towing ability, as well as for weekend warriors who plan to tow trailers, boats or outdoor toys for recreation. onapharmacyonline.com. onapharmacyonline.com Jorek. News Bites. gsmpublishing.in. gsmpublishing.in. Inside the cabin is where the 2026 Isuzu D-Max truly shows how pickups are evolving. Rather than the bare-bones utilitarian interiors of old, this generation of D-Max offers a more refined environment that balances toughness with comfort and convenience. The seating position is designed for visibility and support on long drives, while higher-end trims include high-quality materials, multi-zone climate control and large touchscreen infotainment systems that support smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver display provides essential trip and vehicle data while keeping the driver informed without distraction. Practical touches like multiple USB charging ports, wireless smartphone charging in some trims and plenty of storage spaces make everyday usability feel modern and thoughtful, extending the D-Max's appeal beyond just work duties. This balance between ruggedness and comfort is particularly valuable for buyers who use the pickup both as a daily driver and as a weekend adventure vehicle, allowing the truck to feel at home navigating urban streets as well as unbeaten tracks. Safety and driver assistance technology have also taken a leap forward in this model year. Many versions of the 2026 D-Max come equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability control, hill start assist and hill descent control, all of which help make driving in varied conditions more secure and controlled. Higher trims and advanced packages may add features such as blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning and 360-degree camera systems, offering a stronger safety net for occupants while driving in dense traffic or tricky off-road situations. This level of safety tech is a major step up from older generation pickups which often focused solely on structural strength and mechanical toughness, showing how pickup manufacturers now must consider both utility and occupant protection equally. Buyers considering a mid-size pickup today expect vehicles that can do it all, deliver serious work capability, ride comfortably on highways and city roads, and provide safety, tech and refinement when needed, and the 2026 Isuzu D-Max competes well in each of these areas thanks to its blend of capability and up-to-date features. Beyond the core performance and comfort, the rugged nature of the truck's construction plays a big role in its daily usability. High ground clearance, often in the region of over 220-230 mm, gives the D-Max confidence over uneven terrain, ruts, rocks and other obstacles without scraping the underside, while its chassis and suspension tuning strike a balance between load handling and ride comfort. Forward practitioners and adventure seekers will find this reassuring, whether they're traversing construction sites, rural tracks or remote camping grounds. Towing stability is enhanced by strong frame rigidity and a capable drivetrain that resists flex and maintains traction under strain, characteristics that serious truck buyers prioritize when comparing rivals. The 2026 Isuzu D-Max also broadens its appeal through thoughtful options and configurations. While lifestyle-oriented models like the D-Max V-Cross are aimed at buyers seeking premium features and enhanced off-road equipment such as upgraded infotainment screens, 360-degree cameras and larger wheels, work-centric trims continue to offer durable, practical setups that keep costs reasonable while providing core capability. This flexibility of trim levels means there's a D-Max for a variety of buyers, from those wanting a daily driver with strong credentials to those who genuinely need a powerful tool for heavy hauling or adventure expeditions. Reliability and diesel efficiency remain among the strongest selling points of the Isuzu brand, and the D-Max continues this tradition. Diesel powertrains are favored by many pickup buyers for their torsional strength, fuel efficiency under load and longevity, and Isuzu's experience with diesel technology contributes significantly to the trust the truck inspires among users. With proper maintenance and regular servicing, owners typically find that the D-Max offers good reliability even under strenuous conditions. The diesel engine's torque-centric nature means everyday tasks, climbing hills, towing trailers, loading heavy cargo, feel composed and capable without the engine struggling to respond. And while ride comfort might not rival luxury SUVs, the D-Max's well-balanced suspension and supportive seats make it comfortable enough for long highway journeys and extended drives with a full load. In markets where the 2026 D-Max has launched, pricing reflects its premium positioning among mid-size pickups, with higher-end trims offering more technology and luxury features alongside serious off-road prowess. Buyers often find that the trucks compete strongly with rivals like the Toyota Hilux and Ford Ranger, with each having its own strengths. Isuzu's reputation for diesel robustness and reliability being a defining edge for many real-world owners often remark on the D-Max's versatility. It's capable of serving as a daily commuter, a heavy-duty work vehicle, a long-distance traveler and a capable off-road companion, sometimes all in the same week. Whether it's hauling tools for a construction job, towing equipment to a campsite, or cruising comfortably on the highway, the D-Max aims to excel across diverse scenarios. In summary, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max is a comprehensive and compelling pickup that successfully blends durability, capability, comfort and modern technology. Its powerful diesel engines, strong towing and payload credentials, updated interior comforts, advanced safety features and versatile configurations make it worthy of attention from anyone in the market for a capable midsize pickup truck. Whether for work, adventure or everyday use, the D-Max stands out as a vehicle that balances the rugged utility buyers expect from a pickup with the refinement and features needed for contemporary driving. onapharmacyonline.com, onapharmacyonline.com, escoof.com, Newsbites, onapharmacyonline.com, Newsbites, onapharmacyonline.com Jorek. If you want this turned into a video script with timestamps or a thumbnail and title plan optimized for YouTube SEO, just let me know.